If you're wanting to know where you can buy a maintenance box for your Epson EcoTank printer, then stay tuned because that's what I'm going to be talking about here in this video. Hey YouTube, what is going on? The printer guy here, and if you have one of the following printer models that's here up on the screen, then you're going to want to stay tuned. Now, maintenance box is one of those things on your Epson EcoTank printer that needs to be changed out fairly frequently. Once these get filled up with ink, you're gonna need to swap them out. So where can you buy a maintenance box for your Epson EcoTank printer? They're not usually at your brick and mortar store. So where can you buy them? You're usually gonna wanna buy them online, specifically on Amazon. And that is actually where I sell my maintenance box. The best printers maintenance box is on Amazon. There's gonna be a link down in the description below. So if you wanna know where you can buy a maintenance box for your Epson EcoTank printer, it's down in the description below, somewhere here on the screen, or it's gonna be the pinned comment down below. So I sourced my maintenance box from a reputable distributor. This is a good maintenance box. It's gonna be affordable, and it's going to do everything you need it to do. Get your printer back up and running. Also, when you buy a maintenance box through that link down below, you help support this channel, and that is greatly appreciated. Now, if you wanted a comprehensive guide of when you should change out your maintenance box, why you need to change it out, all of that information, I'm gonna be linking a video down below that's a comprehensive guide to all the things and all the questions you would possibly have. Why, how, and when you need to change out your maintenance box. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please make sure to like. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. That's really all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.